severe thunderstorm warning for Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambria, or 12 miles northwest of Columbus, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Walpen, Mayville, Horicon, Juneau, Lomira, Thalessa, Hustisford, Oakfield, Iron Ridge, Brandon, Burnett, Ashebun, Rubicon, Ashford, Lebanon, Byron, and Fox Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. This storm is likely producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.